This one potentially could go back for maintenance.
Yeah.
People have said it's not the most efficient wheel by quite a way.
No.
This used to have a like probably wartime tin shed on here. It went up to about here. This used to be the office on there. So this is like. It's big. We also use it as a store and stuff like that. This is some bigger back.
Yeah.
So yeah, this has been re-roofed. And English Heritage did let us put under. It's like the last miller walked out and locked the doors, and that was
it. It was.
Yeah. So that's obviously the elevator from. That's quite a reasonably modern elevator that goes down to the bottom.
Yeah.
Like evidence of like the things were just recycled and ingenuity. You use lots of stuff. Wow.
Yeah. So it must have been quite a fairly recent update to the mill if it's got rolling mills instead of stones.
Yeah, because it was running right up to the 1960s. In the wartime, it was brought back into the health and safety at work thing, the PTO,
oh, yeah.
the gas.
Yeah.
The problem is you've got to make sure that there's little jars that you have on here, the oiler jars that people steal.
Yeah, that is.
Whereas some of the older stuff, the woodwork is really nicely done. I almost think it was made by a cabinet maker.
Yeah. You can see how old the belts on those line shafts.
Yeah, like the adjustment there.
Oh yeah. It's a bit of.
Each floor's got a bone handle on it.
Oh yeah. Wow. Yeah, we've got yeah.
So I think there's a Yorkshire gritstone and then a French burr. Now being told, is that one right now?
Yes.
Just tell me if you want more.
So is that to the crown wheel you're talking about? Or is that? Oh, that one in the corner there.
Yeah, that's from a tea mill. It's where it takes like the husks off wheat and barley.
Oh right.
And used to make, traditionally, it used to be before they used to make like porridgey gruel stuff with it.
Yeah.
Obviously, when you think what. It was at one point behind the mill because randomly there's a chimney on the mill at the back.
Oh right.
But no evidence of. It's obviously it's been when we found that there was a problem. There was the floor seemed hollow underneath, as you will find out. There's the machinery on the wall.
Oh yeah.
See a picture of some sort of weird milling machine that the floor's pretty alright. So this is the where the plant comes through the trapdoor. Pull it. You go up there and then you put it onto that table, and then you'd either go and manually go around and stack it up.
Yeah.
Like a kind of a basic touch, isn't it?
Pretty much, yes. That's pretty much like how it is. Yes. Well, it's very similar.
Bottom floor.
Oh yes.
Yeah, elevated up and then they could like shoot it out into these booms. That must have made quite a bit of a difference on labour. Have you got these?
Got something similar, I think.
Might be worth you can take a. And they'd obviously had experimented with using pipework to do a bit of heating in the mill. Like other bits of
oh yeah,
they were a bit faded. Now how I was talking about that there was some steps outside.
Yes.
This was like a massive. There was nothing under the concrete.
Yeah.
There's evidence there's been a drain there that's caused the problem, but it obviously doesn't seem to flow at the moment anymore.
No. Oh wow.
It's like a slightly more. So some of the teeth on the wheel, I think, are they cast iron? Do they feel like they're cast?
Yeah.
I think it's the next one. They've done the apple.
Yes. We have apple on ours, I think.
Around in this crop.
Yes.
Imagine there'd be dowels in here. There'd be another round one on top, and that's what there would be a cog.
Yeah.
Very most basic primitive. And they reckon it was originally at the top because there's a sack.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah,
There's the old millstone there.
Finally being